Hey, welcome to Claire's Corner. Today we are doing a bedroom transformation. We have finally had our furniture delivered, so we now have a proper bedroom. Okay, so the delivery guys, basically they couldn't deliver our bed because we have a shared hallway because we're a flat, but they can now, so they have just delivered our bed and assembled it. I stayed in the office, no interaction, other than kind of letting them in and saying that's the way we want it to face. So, you know, keeping to social distancing rules. But this is the mattress that we had on the floor that we have slept on for about 4 weeks, and then 4 weeks before that we were sleeping on an airbed. So I was really bad at taking before like shots, because I think I was just so excited that I just cleared everything up ready for the bed to come. So like you've just seen, we literally just had that mattress on the floor for about 4 weeks, and before that we had a airbed on the floor. At the end of the bed we were using this paint pot to balance the TV on. That's how bad it was. So you can imagine how bad it was and how grateful we are to now have a bed. I just thought I would quickly show you that because I forgot to show you a couple of weeks ago when I actually filmed all of this because I was just too excited. We have a bed. I'm so happy. So happy. Now, this is the, excuse the road noise, I've got the windows wide open. This was the only bed that Harry and I both agreed on. And it was actually in the sale, so, you know, it worked out quite well, really. But yeah, we have a bed. We can live like normal human beings now. Yay! So it's from Furniture Village, and it's got these drawers for, I'll probably put like bedding in there. But yeah, yay, we actually have a bed. Harry saw this advert for a game, and we watched it and we were like, let's just buy it. And literally within like 2 minutes from seeing it, we bought it. It's just arrived today. I forgot all about it, but it's just arrived today. I think it's called Super Winner because that's all that it seems to say on the box. But basically, I don't know whether you've like seen adverts online, but you just kind of like flick these little things to the other side. I don't know if you've seen that online. Let me. So you've got like these, which you then got to use this to flick it through the hole. And then the winner, the winner is the person who gets all of the ones on their side to the other side. But Harry's at work, so I can practice before he gets home. So you've got to like flick it through this hole here. So just, oh god, it's actually really hard. I mean, I am using my left hand and I'm right-handed, but it is really hard. There we go. Oh, no, that's not the idea. I don't want it to come back through. But yeah, I just thought I'd show you it because it came today. How just very random, but I think we'll have lots of fun with it. So our bedside tables have finally come. So now we've actually got a bed, bedside tables, and lamps and coasters for the bedside tables. It's self-assembly, so I'm going to attempt to do that now. Harry's at work now, so he'll hopefully come home and they'll be done. Or he'll come home and I've like completely made a mess and ruined it and they're all broken. But let's hope not. So maybe we just go and buy a drill from B&Q tonight. Because this is going to take forever. I went out and bought a drill. Well, it's not actually a drill, it's a screwdriver. Look! How cute! I imagine it's like, oh, it's got light. That is so cool. That's so cool. It's got all the different things on. It's only like 30 quid. Anyway, best charge it so I can use it. Okay, so this is what it looks like. I've got some new bed sheets, which I need to change because these are very creased. But yeah, I'm really happy with them. Got these lights from Dunelm. Spare coaster. But yeah, really super happy. Starting to feel a lot more like a home now. So again, please excuse the carpet. They still haven't arrived. But this is our new end of the bed TV stand, which has shelves in it as well. So we've got some cute little cat bookends, which I just think are adorable. So we do need to sort out the wiring behind the TV, obviously, and probably dust the TV. But I just love this unit. I just think it goes so well at the end of our bed. And it came fully assembled, so thank goodness we did not have to make it ourselves. And it's just really good, like solid, nicely built. I just love it. I think it's really nice. And we got this from Wayfair. Thanks for watching my video. I hope you enjoyed. If you do like home transformation style videos, then please make sure you subscribe. We get our new carpets fitted kind of in the next couple of weeks, as well as our sofa and living room furniture delivered. So make sure to stay tuned, as I will definitely be recording that for you.